This piece of plastic trim. There's just 2 Phillips head screws in there. When you take that out, first place to look maybe is the drain pan. And so this thing catches normal condensation that comes from the refrigerator and it will just evaporate. Now in my case, this thing was absolutely full, so I know there's a problem. So you can just stick your finger in there and feel it. It's dry right now, obviously. But, so you can see a lot of stuff in here and potentially see, you know, where water might be dripping from. And it's probably not going to be dripping from anywhere around here because there's no water hoses there. So it's either on the left-hand side here, like you've seen, or coming from one of the back hoses. Alright, try it. Is there water coming out? I stop. Okay, you want to take these 2 screws out so you can get this piece off. Broken line down there. I'm going to clip the tie down right here at the top, kind of in the middle of the screen right now. I'm going to clip that, and I believe that assembly will pull right out. Got the clippers on there. Cut that. Get seasick watching this. There we go. And what we got to do is push on this little blue tab. You push it in and then pull the tube out. So I'm going to have to wrangle it to where I can get my hands around there. All right, I'm going to try and push on this blue and pull. Okay, that was all it was. So you just push on this blue and then pull the line out. Okay, I hope you saw that. My hair. See very close up where it's just cracked. So I will go online and look for a replacement part. This is about 2 feet in length or so. All right, do it on and off a couple times. Let's see what I do there. You see any leaks at the front bottom of it? Oh, it just leaked. Do it again. Yeah, it's dripping. All right, summarize what we have going on here. So then zoom in. All right, so here is the tube I added, a $2 tube from Home Depot. And it works fine, but the problem is there's no elbow on it, like on this connection. And so because of that, you want the tube going in exactly parallel with the connector. And that's not going to happen in this situation because I don't have an elbow here. So I've left this whole assembly disconnected and actually moved it up, which gives this tube more room to turn. Okay, we're gonna zoom in here, and this is pretty hilarious. But here's the edge of the can, and so I've got it pushed up behind the little bracket. So the piece of aluminum is pushed up behind there, and you can see it's just gonna catch any water that drips, and it's gonna drip into the pan. All right, go ahead. Just on and off the drip. All right, so it's dripping a couple of times. Okay, this is plan B. I cut the old hose, got a heat gun, and made a makeshift elbow there. And I did get an inline connector from Home Depot. So what I'm going to do is try and use this as my elbow and then connect that to the new hose that goes around to the front. Okay, I wanted to mention that I got some 400 grit sandpaper and sanded around the sealing edge. Not up and down, you want to go around circumferentially. And then I put a little bit of silicone O-ring grease on there just to help it seal. All right, go ahead.